A lot of oceanic pollution originates right here in Sacramento.
David Ingram's team with the River City Water Alliance has removed more than 3.4 million pounds of debris from local area waterways. He says it's hard but impactful work. But whenever the skies decide to open up, the floodgates reopen, literally. The clock resets and more litter is sent straight into our creeks.
Arcade Creek is an urban creek and it rises and drops very quickly. The rivers remain fairly static unless we have a series of big storms. These creeks can rise very quickly just in one rainfall.
That means when it comes to urban creeks like this one and Steelhead Creek, rain is a dangerous game. Water flowing from nearby shopping centers, parking lots, and storm drains flushes into the system, pumping into these bodies of water. Just a few days ago, Ingram and other volunteers were walking freely right here. Now those footsteps are underwater.
The creek is now 6 feet deep.
But their members are always preparing for weather events like this 5 to 6 days a week. Some of their 20 to 30 RCWA volunteers head out to the wettest parts of the community.
We're monitoring conditions. We're looking for folks that might be camping along the waterways in an area that's dangerous for them or might end up in future pollution.
Ingram tells Fox 40 the Sacramento River and American River Parkway are critical ecological landmarks here in Sacramento. But the creeks are often overlooked. Many unhoused people camp out along these isolated water systems, one rainstorm away from losing everything.
They are still at risk because this creek could continue to rise as the water continues to pour in from upstream.
Conservation specialists urge people to be extra careful when they're around any water source during or after heavy rainfall. They say you should always have an exit strategy because you never know how quickly water levels will rise. In Sacramento, covering local news that matters, Sierra Krug, Fox 40 News.